Wait, not the... Let me try to lock it. Oh, God.
Oh my God, don't do it.
I can do it. I love you.
Is he? Is he?
I'm gonna get over the gate.
Oh my God, you're not.
Oh dear.
What are you doing?
I don't know. I want water. Oh dear.
There's no water
Oh no,
in there.
there's light bulbs. This is what I would be like if I had no arms. There you go. Now I can do it.
You look like a dead ostrich.
Ah! Ah! I can't move.
Do you need help?
It's way over there.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to spin. It's not working. Let's back up. Beep, beep. Oh, I did it. No, I'm stuck. Who invented this? Let's do the roll. I can't get up. How am I together? Put an apple in my mouth. Oh dear.
You're gonna break my house.
Hey, look. It's a computer. Do you have to enjoy it? Pull me. Never mind. Some serious housework.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Do you need help? Hold on, come here.
Can you put my pants on? My crack is revealed.
No, it's not.
Maggie! Oh, this breaks down your knees so bad. You need to moonwalk. In the other room. Oh dear. Oh, that's so gross. This is more labor right here. This is the future. No. I want to play with it. No, I can't.